Hello there. Right now I'm trying to make a comparison with two different languages, that is Java and PHP. For first, let's open what is the Google Trend says about it. I'm trying to open a Google Trend. So what latest people are searching for it? Let's search about PHP. So specifically when you talk about Java and comparing with PHP, we should compare with JSP to PHP. Let's see how much it stands with it. You can see this PHP for stands well over PHP stands well over to JSP. That's the problem, because when you see this, there is definitely a biggest gap between PHP and JSP. Apart from that, you can see this when you use Java. You can see this Java is still the most demanding language, but in comparison with JSP and PHP uh, take over all the competition. Because the reason why JSP people not going for JSP a lot, because it's complicated, and most website providers, most web hosting providers don't offer hosting for JSP, and hosting for JSP is quite expensive, because you can't use cPanel that is you use for PHP. You have to specifically need a Tomcat server, and however you can use MySQL with it, but a Tomcat server is necessary for it. You have to upload a jar application, and I think the .war extension application to your Tomcat server, and you have to do lots of configurations that would be necessary to get your JSP website running. And apart from that, a PHP website can you can get started with a PHP application with this in no time. You can get it running, get it up and running, and it's most demanding, because of it's very good on the online sales point of view. Most small businesses can support a PHP website. They can easily afford it. However, many won't afford a JSP website because of the hosting cost, and that's why. So what I would suggest, if you are in comparison with what to do with JSP and PHP, and if you are an awesome programmer in JSP in Java, you can try out with JSP, but I would suggest you try out a different things with it. Let's try out with a PHP, or if you can look onto JSP, but you have the competition, like how right now how the competition is going on with uh, between all these languages, so you can decide well about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can subscribe the video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.